Good morning, everyone. Today I will speak on hard work. Hard work leads to success. It makes us confident. Students must work hard daily. Success comes with patience. There is no shortcut in life. Great people worked hard. Hard work gives true happiness. So, work hard for success.
Can you help me? No, I can't, Mom. What are you doing? I'm doing my homework. Homework after school? Yes, it's math work. No, finish it first then. I'll help you later.